Consider this system has a unique solution if condition on K is given to us. For options associated this problem is given. So system has unique solution in terms of rank. We can say rank of coefficient matrix equal to rank of augmented matrix equal to number of variable. In terms of determinant, we can say coefficient matrix determinant not equal to 0. We have two approaches. We can draw conclusion using these two. So I'm going to solve this problem by rank. So k 1 1 1 k 1 1 1 k and 1 1 1. This is last column in right hand side as b1 b2 b3. You can understand by the elementary row operation we can make entry below the leading or pivot entry. Below the pivot entry, we can make 0 applying elementary row operation. This is somehow known as elimination method. So by elementary row operation, first row is same 1 1 1. This becomes 0 and this one will be k square minus 1 k minus 1 and this is also k minus 1. This is 0 k minus 1 k square minus 1 and this is again k minus 1. This is last equivalent matrix. So for unique solution, rank of this one matrix should be 3 because of number of variable is 3. It means, for example, if we are not saying because of k minus 1 is involved here, k minus 1 is involved here and k minus 1 is involved here. In all these last non-zero last row entries, k minus 1 involved. So we cannot draw conclusion by this one and this one. If anyhow whatever this number, this is suppose either 0 or not 0, but if this is not equal to 0, then this matrix become full rank matrix, and anyhow we can make this entry 0 because of elementary row operation or elimination process. So most important thing is that these two entry will help us to draw conclusion. This is not important, but by the chance k minus 1 is this and these two entry are same. So if k minus 1 is 0, if k minus 1 is 0, it means that k square minus 1 is also 0 because of k minus 1 is the factor in this one. Means all three entries in last row become 0 and this matrix reduce in lower rank matrix or rank 2 or 1 matrix, rank 1 matrix. So we cannot choose the value of k as 1. It means k not equal to 1. In option A, B, k equal to 1. So option A and B discard here. Now option C and D might be true or both become true. But condition on k is also given is k equal to minus 2 or 2. So using this fact, rank we cannot find another condition. So approach this problem by determinant. So we are going to find determinant of this coefficient matrix. Along expand this matrix by first row. So k square minus 1 minus 1 k minus 1 and this is plus 1 1 minus k. This is 1 minus k. This is equal to k cube minus k plus 1 minus k. This means that k cube minus 3k plus 2, and determinant of this one not equal to 0 because of determinant 0, lower rank matrix. So which root is satisfying k square minus 3k plus 2 means k equal to 1 and k equal to 2 is satisfying this. K equal to minus 2 because of this one become minus 8 plus 6 and plus 2. So k equal to minus 2 satisfying this one, and k equal to 1 is also satisfying this one. Means k not equal to 1 and k not equal to minus 2 make this condition determinant should not equal to 0. Now we have two condition on k, means k should not equal to minus 2, means option C is correct.